before asking her hand, I would like to really ask your hand for, the approval of this marriage relationship and something that just starts and ends at forever.
Let's do it.
So, I just wanted the approval from you guys to ask the hand of your daughter to make her my forever and my better half.
Yeah, of course. It's a blessing to have you as a son, beta. We could not ask anything better than you from God.
Ask first. You are not ready, but I think it's the right time to get ready.
Oh my god! Oh my god, what the heck?
As she's our daughter, we feel again we have become parents to you, and it means a lot.
Thank you. Thank you.
And go ahead. All our blessings are there with you both.
Thank you.
Oh, we see it all with wonder. We dream in every color, and we come alive. We know together we can find this. There's a glow inside us, ready to begin. This is where our dreams begin.